Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this guide video, I'll walk you through the steps on. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through the steps on how can you download The Sims 4 on Mac for free. To download Sims 4 on Mac for free, you want to make sure to watch this video right till the end. First thing, you want to go to the ea.com or EA app in a web browser. After which, you want to go ahead and click on Download for Mac. And as you do it, so it's going to be downloaded. Now double click the EA app .dmg file. Click on install EA. Once actually done it, so log in with your EA Games account. Enter in your credential, all that. As you begin, you want to search for the Sims 4 in the box. As you locate Sims 4, you want to click on the Sims 4 icon and click on download option in the right hand side corner of your screen. Once you've done it, so you want to then go to the library in the section or in the EA Games, after which you want to launch the Sims 4. And with that being said, you've successfully downloaded the Sims 4 on Mac for free. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.